Today, we will talk about death taxes. When someone dies, taxes may be imposed on their estate by the federal and state governments. These are called death taxes or estate and inheritance taxes. The beneficiary who receives the property in the deceased's will or the estate that pays the tax before transferring the inherited property is responsible for these taxes. A death tax is imposed on property transfers after someone's death. The terms death tax gained popularity in the 1990s and were used to describe estate and inheritance taxes. Estate taxes are paid by the deceased's estate before assets are transferred to a beneficiary. Inheritance taxes are paid by the person who inherits the assets. The federal estate tax ranges from 18% to 40% based on the value of property and assets at the time of the owner's death. The estate tax is only imposed on estates and inheritances valued above a specific threshold. Most people will not need to worry about death taxes because this threshold is set at $12.92 million in 2023 and $13.61 million in 2024. If an estate's value is below this threshold, it won't owe any federal estate taxes. The Unified Tax Credit allows individuals to gift a certain amount before any death taxes or gift taxes apply. This credit unifies both the gift and estate taxes into one tax system, reducing the tax bill of the individual or estate dollar for dollar. The tax credit may be used to save on estate taxes after death but not for reducing gift taxes while an individual is alive. The unlimited marital deduction allows individuals to transfer an unrestricted amount of assets to their spouse, free from tax. This eliminates both federal estate and gift tax on property transfers between spouses by treating them as one economic unit. Transfer taxes on the property inherited from each other are postponed until the second spouse's death. If someone has enough assets to trigger death taxes, there are ways to reduce or avoid them. For example, they can donate to charity, give enough of their estate away to reduce its value, or place it in special trust funds to avoid paying death taxes. By donating to charity, giving enough of your estate away to reduce its value, or placing it in special trust funds, individuals can avoid paying death taxes if they have assets valued at $12.92 million or more in 2023 or $13.61 million in 2024. 12 states and 1 district, including Connecticut, Hawaii, Illinois, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Minnesota, New York, Oregon, Rhode Island, Vermont, Washington, and the District of Columbia, have estate taxes. The estate of the deceased is responsible for estate taxes while the heirs of the deceased are responsible for inheritance taxes. Estate taxes are paid by the deceased's estate before assets are transferred, and inheritance taxes are paid by the person who inherits the assets. Here are 2 key takeaways. 1. Death taxes, also known as estate and inheritance taxes, are generally only imposed on estates and inheritances above a specific value. 2. In 2023, an estate must have assets of over $12.92 million to be subject to federal taxes. In 2024, the threshold is $13.61 million. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.